What's up guys, Derek from Legendary here. In this video, I'm going to do a reveal of my first shipment I got back from CGC. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. I do apologize, I also have a cold, so it might be a little difficult to hear me, but super excited. Took about less than 2 weeks actually from me shipping these in to getting this first one back. I should have another one coming in tomorrow. Super stoked. I sent 26 books, 25 of those came back as 9.8s. So I'm going to drop the video below of me preparing the shipment. If you've never shipped comics to CGC, you can watch that video and get those sent in. I'll probably also do one as well for kind of what to look for to disqualify a book from getting that 9.8 grade. I think that's the best way to go. So be on the lookout for that as well. I'll do a reveal part 2 when I get the next shipment in, hopefully tomorrow or the day after. But let's jump right in. Super excited to get these open. These should be all custom labels. So I ordered 8 custom labels and then 18 were just kind of the standards. So let's go ahead and dive right in. All right. Book number 1, beautiful Miles Morales. Giving Venom the work there. Got the custom Miles label up top. I believe I sent 2 of these actually. Love that cover. All right, all right. Next up, another Miles book. We got the Mike Mayhew sneakerhead variant. Super dope. I sent in some facsimiles as well. So custom Spider-Man, Amazing Spider-Man #1 facsimile reprint. I think I bought 50 of those facsimiles. So I got quite a few of those sent in. I think I did 3 custom labels. I'm going to keep one for myself. Probably sell one. And we'll see about the other one. Maybe we can do a giveaway or something. Then we got the Spider-Man annual facsimile as well. The custom label. Got the Sinister 6 on the front. Super dope. Here we go, number 2. With that Cale New cover. Cale New did one of my favorite covers as well. Of that MJ23 variant. Alright, we got the Secret Wars homage. Super dope. Miles Morales #30. And we got a double whammy for that one. So that was all the custom slabs, custom labels. All 9.8s. Super excited about that. This is my first time shipping comics to CGC. And obviously did very well to get 25 out of 26 9.8s. So you can check back tomorrow or the next day, and I should have the reveal for the rest of those. I'll probably do a giveaway for something, probably an ASM1 facsimile, just to kind of get back to the community. I might do it on Twitter, so make sure you're following me on there at Legendary Leads. For all things comics and crypto, that's kind of my spot is Twitter. So stay tuned in over there. If you have any questions about the process for looking through books to send to the CGC or how to actually send them in, you can check out the CGC website, cgccomics.com. Drop a comment below if you have any questions for me as well. But with that being said, you can kind of see here the process once you get them back. As soon as they are marked shipped, it's going to turn from blank here to the grade. You can click each individual item and it will take you to the CGC page for that book. So you can see, how many total are graded, how many are in higher grades, stuff like that. So like this Kale New book, there's only 27 on the census, with 5 signature series in a 9.8. So pretty cool tool. I love the census for the CGC. They started doing cards as well. So I was planning to send some cards as well. So stay tuned for that. But with that being said, I'm going to wrap this video up. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Stay legendary, and I'll catch you on the next one.